It's gonna be a long night. Yeah. You know.
Hey lovely people, welcome back to my channel and to another video. So today's video I'm going to do body butter for oil skin, and it's a requested video from one of my subscribers. And if you are new here and you like what you're seeing already, just hit on the subscribe button and the notification bell, so whenever I upload a video you could be notified. And to my old subscribers, thank you so much for tuning in each and every time I post a video. Thank you. God bless you for me. If God does not bless you, I will not understand. And please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, comment below, and share among your friends and family. I mean family. Okay? Alright? Do that for me. So this is the cream we are going to make. I did not make large quantity, I just made a little. I have my beige cream, so I added the necessary ingredients to it and then mix it up. If you want to know how I make this cream, kindly sit back and watch till end. Okay, watch till end. I'm talking too much, let's get into the video. Okay guys, so this is my cup I'm going to mix the cream in, and my beige cream. So if you want to know how I made this beige cream, I will put the link up there. I made this on this channel about 2 weeks ago, I think. Yeah, it was live. I did it live and it was a bit shaky, but you could see what I was doing. Okay, so I'm taking a few spatula of the cream, of the beige cream, to add my ingredient to it, and that's it. When you have this beige cream at home, you are quick to go. Pretty simple. Okay, so now I'm going to add my jojoba oil. Jojoba oil is very good for the skin. It keeps the skin from looking oily and prevents acne. Okay, it doesn't cause any clogged pores. It doesn't clog the pores. Okay, so I'm putting a few drops into this beige cream. Okay, I'm going to add my rosehip oil. And rosehip oil contains linoleic fatty acid, and it reduces oil on the skin and prevents any acne. Okay, any future acne that will appear, it prevents it. Okay, so this is my perfume or fragrance, just to let to make the cream smells good. Okay, and my glycerin helps in smoothing the skin. Okay, so this is my lavender oil, and it helps lessen acne, helps lighten the skin and reduce wrinkles. Okay, so I'm adding a few drops to it. Okay, so I'm adding vitamin E capsules. If you have the oil, you can add it. Vitamin E also helps in smoothing the skin, okay, and giving the skin very looking very healthy. All right, so I just put only 2 capsules in it to mix. And today I don't have light, so I'm going to use my spatula to mix this cream. Okay, So I'm adding sweet almond oil to this cream because it's very safe for almost all skin types, sensitive, dry, and oily skin, and it deeply cleans the pores without clogging them. Okay, so it's very good. So I decided to add this to it. So now I'm stirring. As you can see, I'm mixing. I don't have light, so I'm using my hand, manpower, to mix it. I'm lucky. I've already done my beige cream, so this is not something that is going to stress me up. Okay, so this is it. So I'm done mixing. I'm going to transfer it into this container. It's already sanitized. Everywhere is sanitized. Okay, so when you're going to do make sure you sanitize your space before you start everything. Okay, so if you want to add any other ingredient to lighten up your skin, you can do so. Okay, you can do so. All right, so this is our cream for oily skin. So my dear subscriber, this is for you. Hope you love it, eh? And please do well to share this video, give it a thumbs up, and comment below. Okay, so I'm giving you guys a demonstration. All right, so you could see how the cream is on the skin. It's not oily, and the skin absorb it very fast. Thank you so much for watching. Catch you in my next video. Bye bye.